Don and Wally's has been at this location since 1968, offering general auto repair, both foreign and domestic vehicles, fleet repair and fleet programs, state inspections, 7D, and commercial stickers. We also have a mobile unit for commercial stickers only. We offer 24-hour towing, 365 days a year, and a full detailing department. In addition to our services, we offer auto sales as well as budget rental for all your moving needs.
Come to Don and Wally's Service Center, where honesty and hard work has kept us in business since 1968.